Newton's second law of motion. Before getting into the topic of Newton's second law of motion, we need to get clarification on two topics. Number 1, momentum of a body. Number 2, acceleration. We have already seen momentum of a body. The link has been given in the I symbol present above the screen. What is momentum of a body? Let us understand momentum of a body with few examples. Let a washing machine of 100 kg and a basket of 5 kg fall from the second floor of a building. If you are asked to catch one of the objects, which one will you prefer? It is sure that you prefer to catch the object of 5 kg. Is it because the mass of the basket is lower than that of the washing machine? In physics, the answer for the question is no. It is because the momentum of 5 kg basket is lesser than that of the 50 kg washing machine. We know that momentum P is equal to mass m multiplied by velocity v. We know that velocity simply denotes the speed. It is a vector quantity, hence the momentum is also a vector quantity. Therefore, the direction of the momentum is the same as the direction of the velocity. Hence, from this, we can understand that momentum is nothing but the quantity of motion present in a body. To further understand clearly, let us take two examples. Example 1. Assume a person standing in a roadside, a bicycle of mass 50 kg with speed 60 m/s hitting him. As a common annotation, the person may get injured. Example 2. A truck of mass 2500 kg with same speed of 60 m/s hitting the same person. As a common annotation, the person may die or seriously get injured. The injury of the person is not because of the speed of the two different vehicles, but it is because of the mass. Let us discuss the two examples in terms of physics. In example 1, mass of the bicycle is 50 kg. Velocity is 60 m/s. We know that momentum P is equal to mass m into velocity v. That is, P is equal to 50 kg of bicycle multiplied by 60 m/s speed, that is velocity. Here, momentum is equal to 3000 kg m/s. In example 2, mass of the truck is 2500 kg. Velocity v is 60 m/s. We know momentum P is equal to mass m into velocity v. Here, mass is 2500 kg multiplied by 60 m/s. Hence, the momentum of the truck is 150,000 kg m/s. Here, momentum of the bicycle is lesser than the momentum of the truck. This is the reason why the person is less likely to get injured by the bicycle and the person may die or get serious injuries when hit by a truck. We have seen the cases of moving bodies. Let us check whether a body in rest has momentum. Assume a car of mass 800 kg is at rest. Here, velocity of the body is 0 m/s. Since the body is at rest, we know momentum is equal to mass m into velocity v. Here, P is equal to 800 kg multiplied by 0 m/s. Hence, P is equal to 0. From this, we can understand that momentum is 0 if the body is at rest.